Hi guys and girls, my name is Dan from Geek Chronicles Agro, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of this Cordless Multi-Tool from Parkside. That is model number PAMFW 20LIC3. Yeah, let's do it. And let's see what we have inside the manual, but I'm not going to bother with that. Here I'm guessing we are getting some accessories, a sharp cutting tool, a blade that you use for wood or maybe plastic, another blade that I'm guessing you can also use for wood. You can leave a comment in the comment section below if you know. Some sandpaper, and I'm guessing here below the tool you will have like the adapter for the sandpaper. Yes, here is the adapter for the sandpaper. I'm guessing this part is to attach it to a vacuum. How does it go on? Oh, like this. Okay, and you have a screw here, and here you can control the RPM of the tool, and it starts from 1, I'm guessing. Yes, classic Parkside on-off switch. Here you have the nut that you have to remove in order to change the blades. Okay, that's it. Let me move this aside because it has difficulty focusing, and let's do a quick and dirty test with it. I read in the manual that you should not tighten this nut with, I'm guessing, a wrench. You should do it by hand. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten the nut, and let's cut some wood to see how it performs. I will put this here and some pieces of pine wood, and let me get that attachment. Let's see, the part number here is the same one that's on the box. It's on the 20 volt system, minimum 5000 RPM and maximum 20,000, and it was produced in March 2024. Okay, first we're gonna start testing the tool with the 2 amp hour battery, and then we're gonna switch to the 4 amp hour battery. Now my battery is full, so it will be a fair test for the tool. Okay, let's start it maybe on 4 to see how it performs really. Okay, fairly fast for a multi-tool, clean cut. I guess the cleanest cut you can get from holding the stick in your hand. Now let's try like the 6th speed, and I'm gonna do it with this pine that's a little bit thicker. Yeah, it's way faster on the 6th speed, and also I'm impressed. The cut is very clean, but I don't know if this blade is the most expensive one that you can buy for a tool like this, but I guess it works. Let me switch the battery with the 4 amp hour one. It's on, charged. Let's do again the 4th speed. To be honest, compared to the 2 amp hour one, I don't see that much of a difference. Let's try the maximum speed. Oh yeah, on the maximum speed you can really feel the difference with the 4 amp hour battery, but that blade is not that great. That would be the first thing that I will upgrade on this tool. It's not great because I've tested some multi-tools in the past and the blades were way better than this one. But also maybe the oscillation is different on the other tools I've tested, but I doubt that. I guess it's the blade. The material of the blade is not that good. But again, for the price, you cannot really complain, because I got this tool for like around 20 euros here in Romania, which in my opinion, it's a really good price for an occasional use tool. So yeah, this is the Parkside Multi-Tool. It does the job. It's a bit loud and it's a bit shaky, but again, for the price you pay, you cannot complain that much. If you like the clip, like it. If you don't, dislike it. And check my other quick and dirty unboxings of tools and such. Click that icon over there with the little head to go to my channel's home and see them. So yeah, I'm done. That's it. Goodbye until the next clip.